Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am opening a package today. Well, I haven't looked inside. It's open because there's too much information on both sides of this box to have it closed. But yeah, so this is from a gorgeous subscriber of mine. I'm not sure how to say her name. It's literally just there. Merel? I'm not really sure, but her username is Clayday Shop. She did used to have another one, I think she restarted her account, so there aren't a lot of photos, but she is literally so talented and so lovely, and she's one of my most loyal subscribers, well, followers, and she always comments on everything I do on Instagram. Likes it. She's always the first one to like it. God knows how she manages it, but I just love her so much. So she offered to send me a package and I jumped at the chance because I love her charms. I think she's amazing. So yeah, I'm going to be opening this today. I've got no idea what's inside, but I'm just going to get started. So extras, how I love that when people send me packages, they're like extras. This is all do you know what I mean? Like, how is there extras when this is all a gift? Like, oh, I love it so much. Oh, and they come in tiny little blue envelopes. I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna reuse this. This is so cute. Putting this in like a journal or something to keep something would be so cute. Right. Oh, this is a letter. Oh, here we go. I was expecting it to be like small writing and going on forever. So, right, I'm gonna read this and then I'm gonna come back. So this is such a sweet letter. Thank you so much. And apparently the extras are stationary, so I'll do those last. Oh my gosh. Oh, right, because I can see Gudetama. I'm just going to open this because I'm so excited. I'm literally kind of Gudetama crazy at the moment. Oh, I don't want to break anything. Let me in. She's packaged them really well. Oh, and she has a shop, by the way. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube, but she does have a shop. I'll leave all of her information down below. Ah, this is not easy. Oh, look. Oh, I love that. I think I have these stickers actually. I'm not sure. It's hard to remember what I have, but it's a little Gudetama pendant, and it's resin, and it is like pink and red themed, and this is just so cute. Oh, I love Gudetama so much. So there's a bezel on the back, so I can obviously turn this into a keychain, a bag, charm, whatever I want to. So it's so gorgeous. Look at it. I love all of the glitter in the background, because there's like some little fine stringy iridescent glitter as well. Right, and then, oh, what is this? This looks pretty as well. This looks like a resin bezel. A resin bezel. Wow, that's not easy to say. Oh my god, it's one of those spinning ones. Oh, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh wow. Oh my god, that's actually stunning. Can you see all the dried flowers? Oh, I don't know if they're dry. Yeah, they must be dried. The dried flowers in there. And then there's like a green side, and she's done like a, this kind of looks like a lily pad pond, because she's done like the waves, ocean effect in the background. Oh, she's done it on this one as well. This is actually stunning. Can you see that? Oh, I am so in love with this. I think these might have to go on my keys because this is going to be so much fun to play with when I'm like bored on the train. I just can't get over how pretty this side is. Like, actually gorgeous. Wow. Seriously, I'm seriously in love with that. Right, I think there's more resin in here as well. Oh, this is such a cute bag. She said sorry for all the bags and boxes and stuff not being similar, and I'm like, girl, like, I do not care. So it says like thank you on the back. This is so cute. Oh, and I get a business card. Yay. Right, so wait, 2 business cards. Right, so thank you for your order. Share a picture of your order using the hashtag ClayDayOrder on Facebook or Instagram. These are such cute business cards. I love the camo. And then this one. I love business cards. I'm so happy because I collect them, so this is really nice. How to take care of a new charm. Oh, see, this is really good. I was thinking about doing this for my shop at some point. My charms are not water resistant. The gloss varnish will rub off if it comes in contact with water, so please keep them away from water. You could put the charm in or bags, pockets, but do not do this too often because eventually the gloss varnish will rub off and that will ruin the charm. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. That's so great. And then here is all of her details. As I said, I'll put it all in the description box down below for you guys, so you don't have to obviously go from that. But oh, look how pretty this is. So this is a resin necklace. Oh, the backing cards are so pretty as well. And look at that. So I feel like I've seen her make this, but I'm thinking it wasn't on the account I just showed you. So I'm not sure if she has a couple of accounts. I'll figure it out and put it like all the updated information in the description box, because I can't really remember, but I'm pretty sure I feel like I saw someone make this, but maybe I'm going mad. But yeah, this is so pretty, and I just love this water, sea, ocean wave pattern thing that everyone's doing with resin. I just think it's so gorgeous. I really want to try it out, but I still haven't had enough time to properly work with UV resin, but this is just stunning. Wow. And obviously it's holographic, so you know I like it. Right, and then, oh, this is cool. I think these might be her clay bits, so let's just move this out of the way. Right. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are stunning. She's like painted, let me zoom in. She's like painted all of these boxes. Oh, is this meant to be me? That's so cute. Oh my God. And that one says my name. Oh, I don't know which one to open first. Let's do this one, because I want to see if this is what I think it is, because I don't know. What are the guesses? This is a cactus charm. This is a charm of me, and I don't know. I don't know why I'm guessing, considering that I can just open them up. Right, this could be a bit dangerous to open. Oh, there we go. Right. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Look at that little face. Oh my God, the eyes are just like perfect. Wow. Is this a colour or like of clay that you can buy, or did you make this? Because it is gorgeous. It's like a white granite. I can't remember if I've seen this before, but yeah, it's a little succulent, and it's a little like, it's not a charm, so you could just put it, sorry, my voice is so raspy. So it's just like a little figurine that you can put, oh, I'm definitely going to be putting this on one of my shelves. This is so cute, and really interesting colours as well. I really love this. Wow, that's so cute. And the face is just adorable. And the blush, oh, I love it. As you can see, she's insanely talented as well as being absolutely lovely. So always a plus. Right. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Right. What do we have in here? Oh my God. This. Oh my God. This is actually incredible. Oh my goodness. So this is my, oh my God, so this isn't just like my avatar, she's actually made my one of my end screen little chibis. So like on my YouTube, actually they're not even there anymore, so it's one of my old, so on my YouTube videos, the end screen, I used to have two of them. There was one that looked like this, and there was one that was just like standing there. So she's literally like made the little end screen me. Oh my God, this is actually stunning. Like, oh God, you guys are just so talented. The most talented people follow me, and I just cannot get over it. Like, this is just stunning. Thank you so much. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. I literally cannot stop staring at that. That is actually stunning. Let's put these in the frame. Wow. God, I knew this package was going to be good, but wow. Oh, and just put a little thank you sticker on this one. Oh my God, what is in here? Oh my gosh, that is so, oh my God, I didn't realise she was going to send me so much. This has made me so happy. Right, this I've got to just look at, because this is, you might have seen it when I showed you her account. This is a little Princess Leia chibi in a cup, in like a cup covered in just like galaxy glitter. I don't know, it's just so pretty, and everything's so shiny. I think she must glaze everything in resin. But look, it's so cute. And she tagged me in this, because I have a tutorial for Leia chibi head, so she tagged me in this post, so I was very happy when I saw this. Oh my God, that's so cute. And I love that some of these are like charms and some of them aren't, so I can obviously like display them or use them or whatever I want to do. Right, well, we got to go for the cupcake. Oh wow, so this is, she said in her letter some of these were inspired by me, so this is the little firework cupcake that I made, but in different colours, and she's put, oh, the glitter on top of it is so pretty. So it's got like a purple pearl base, and then it's got purple glitter and a pearl little rocket and a cute little face. So cute. Her eye, the way she does her eyes are gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Right, then it is a little macaroon, which is so pretty, and the face is so cute on this one. And she's used like Pearl-Ex. I think I actually have this Pearl-Ex powder actually. It's like a peachy pink. It's pink, and then like when the light hits it, it's gold. So it makes this really cute peach colour. And then it's filled with pearl filling. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I'm extremely tired today, guys. And then, as I said, face is adorable. Right. Oh, wow. Oh, that's actually amazing. So it's a little Chinese lantern, and she's actually put like, I don't know what this is, could be like trim, lace, I'm not really sure, on the bottom of it to make it look like, you know, like a proper lantern. And it's got a cute little face on it and blush. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh wow, and like she's painted all these details on. That's incredible. Wow. God, you guys are so talented. I know I always say that, but seriously, you guys are so talented. This is stunning. Wow, I love that one. I've never seen that. That's really, really like different. I've never seen anyone do that. Oh, yay, a cute little sweet. Oh, so cute. This is so perfect. So it's like a rose quartz sweet. And it's just so simple but so perfect, and the face is just gorgeous. I'm going to put this on something. I'm not sure what, but I'm going to put it on something, and I'm going to take loads of photos of it for my kawaii.jpg Instagram account, because this is just like it in a nutshell. So I love this. I love this so much. It's so weird seeing, I know her charms quite well from Instagram, so it's so weird seeing these ones in person because I've seen them so much on her Instagram. But yeah, I love that one. That might be one of my favourites, even though it's so simple. Like, oh, so pretty. And then last but not least is this really cool like bucket of sand charm, and it has a little spade attached to it, which is just so cute. So there's a little spade, kind of looks like it's made out of glow in the dark, if I'm honest. It's not, is it? Oh, it is. Okay, you won't really be able to see it glowing, but it is made of glow in the dark. Yeah, you can't really see it, but I promise it is glow in the dark. That's really cool. And then she's put some real like stones and pebbles and things on the top, and then it's got a cute little face, really cute little mouth, and it's just like a peach colour. Oh, this is so cute. That'd be so nice for like, I don't know, I'm trying to think like if you put that on a beach bag or something, like if you're going on holiday, this would be such a cute little charm. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed. I didn't realise she was going to send me so much. I'm so happy. I was getting ready to set up like the end screen. I realised I never opened these little extras, so oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Right, what do we have in here? So on the back, oh, stickers, right, okay, so everything on the back that has an S on the back is a sticker. Oh, so they're like, okay, so I can cut these out myself, or it's just like a sticker. What am I trying to say? It's a sticker. Sorry guys, I'm really out of it. Oh, that's so cute. These would be so, that would be so cute for like a little picnic journal post. Oh wow, that's so cute. These are really interesting designs. I really like these. A little flower, an apple, I think that is, a flower, a peach, another flower, and then some more. Are these, actually no, I think these are probably just like cut out stuff that you can use. Well, that's a really cool one. That looks like, I'm not sure whether that's meant to be beer. That must be beer. Oh, and they got hot chocolate and stuff. These are really interesting designs. I really like these. Right, okay, now I've actually opened everything. I felt really bad then. I was like, no, I nearly forgot all the extras. So this is everything she sent. I've put the boxes in because they're a work of art within themselves. Like, that's just, oh, so cute. So I'm so happy with everything. Please go check her out. I absolutely, as I said, I think she's so talented, and she is also the nicest person ever, and is such a loyal follower of mine. It's, yeah, you guys, the people that always comment and always like and stuff, obviously I appreciate everyone, but it just means a lot, and I do notice all your usernames, and I know exactly who you are. So as usual, always thank you so much for supporting me. So please go support someone else who is obviously way more talented than I am. So yeah, I will leave all her links in the description box, and you can also check out her Etsy if you want to buy any of these. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the last video that I uploaded, then you can click on the screen, and you can also click on the screen to see a video that YouTube thinks you're going to like from me. And along with her links, you can also find all of the links to my shop, my Instagrams, my social, everything in the description box below. So I'll see you later. Bye guys.